there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1969 Mgb Roadster for sale. It's finished in tartan red, black interior, 4-speed with overdrive, which is really exciting on an MGB. 60 spoke, 14-inch chrome wire wheels. We just purchased this car from Oregon. I think it was kind of inland where it was nice and hot and dry, kind of over near the Idaho border. But super good driver. Paint and body work on the car is really good. Older paint. It looks like it was an older quality repaint. It is showing at this point a few little small chips and scuffs and knickknacks. Little chip here. There's a little rub mark here from the hardtop, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This fender looks great. Just a couple little light scratches on this door that could be touched in, but you know, generally really nice. Little bit of touch up here on that fender joint, but you know, just a couple little scratches and chips here and there. You know, probably 20-year-old, but really good quality paintwork, and it was painted. It's just showing its age now in the form of, you know, a few little chips and knickknacks. There's some chipping around this headlamp, you can see that. But you know, if you stand back 10 feet, really lovely looking Mark II Roadster. So really good bright work all the way around. And like I said, just older quality paint, showing a few chips here and there. Great panel fit all the way around. Super nice wheel and tire set, quality Michelin's on stainless wire wheels. The nice thing about the Mark II, it still has the Mark I chrome work and grille, real attractive. Windshield on this car is excellent, really nice, newer piece of windshield glass. This car comes with a removable aftermarket hardtop in really great shape. Right there, really good condition. It looks really nice on the car. It also comes with a great condition black soft top, the original style. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So super good recent interior restoration, great door panels. You can see seats have been recovered beautifully, all in correct vinyl with matching red beading. Newer carpet kit, perfect original dashboard, great original steering wheel. Gauges work fine. You can see like new door seals, the stainless threshold plates, but really wonderful interior. Nice place to be on this car as you're driving it. Just a really lovely interior there. So like I said, black soft top. That's the original black top boot that comes with the car as well. In the trunk here, chock full of spares. There's the original top frame. There's a jack in the original bag. There's some paperwork, but lots of nice accessories. There's an original painted spare, and then there's the 5th chrome matching spare. So 5 wire wheels, which is great. Older classic Oregon license plates, currently registered. Let's take a look at this car's engine bay. So really quite a nice car, except for you know, just that slightly older paint work. But let's look at this car's engine compartment. Great running driving car. I spoke to the owner, and he was telling me just last year they had the drive line out and they rebuilt the overdrive unit, did a lot of nice mechanical work to it to get it up to snuff. But yeah, the engine bay's been painted black, but super nice, clean, strong running driving drivetrain with a smooth working overdrive unit. Ribbed aluminum valve cover. You can see they've got some heat shielding here, which is correct, but really good, clean, lovely engine compartment. Okay, so there it is. 1969 Mgb Roadster Mark II, finished in tartan red, black interior, removable black hardtop, black soft top in really good condition, black top boot, 4-speed with overdrive, chrome wire wheel set, really attractive car. Slightly older quality paint, showing, you know, just some age and some use in the forms of some chipping and couple tiny spots that are lifting, but overall wonderful driver. And it's just going up on our website for the fall. Great time of year now. The weather's cooled off a bit to get these cars out and exercise them. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.